Since the first ROG gaming keyboard was introduced, ROG has continuously delivered new innovations and products that elevate the gaming experience. We work closely with the gaming community, combining feedback and cutting-edge R&D to refine and perfect our products to take gaming even further. Today, we're taking a look at ROG RX optical mechanical switches. ROG RX Red is the first to be developed by ROG. Extensive research and testing have resulted in switches with a shallower 1.5mm actuation point compared to mechanical red switches for faster input. An initial force of 40 G prevents accidental keystrokes and goes all the way up to 55 G for perfect rebound feedback. ROG RX Red provides a smooth and linear feel to give you near instantaneous response the moment you strike the key. Unlike traditional mechanical switches, ROG RX uses light as a trigger rather than a physical contact point. It also features redesigned mechanisms to enable faster, more stable keystrokes. ROG RX also has near-zero debounce delay, so each keystroke is logged the moment you press the key. One of the problems we encounter with most traditional mechanical switches is keystroke wobble and force inconsistency when keys are pressed on different areas of the keycap. We've redesigned the keycap structure and movement mechanism to solve this problem. ROG RX switches have a unique hollow square stem to limit key wobble, while four-corner latches firmly secure the keycap to ensure stability. The X stabilizer is used to further eliminate keystroke wobble and ensure consistent keystroke feel. Under lab conditions, ROG RX shows little to no force curve deviance when keys are pressed on different areas of the keycap. ROG RX features a central LED in the key stem, which helps diffuse light to create a stunning in-key lighting effect. ROG RX optical mechanical switches offer exceptional feel and instantaneous response. It's time to switch to a game changer.